nothing prepared me for the sadness, the absolute tragedy of a small child dying.
When we started this almost 40 years ago, our goal was to never be in the feelings of helplessness that I had with the most important people in my life.
It was 1988 and we faced two tragic circumstances in our family. My dad found me as a 4-year-old covered in blood head to toe, and he wanted to make a change. My uncle, Jerry, he sadly found his niece, and it was from these two moments that survival was born.
We started to think about better ways of having a publication in an emergency so it didn't close on you, where you can get to the index and it sees bleeding.
This book is one of the only publications to win an Australian Design Award, and having nailed their mission of ensuring that Australians had access to the best practice information at their fingertips, Jerry put his mind to first aid kits. There was nothing on the market that was easy to navigate, easy to use, easy to find the items that you actually need in an emergency.
I think I realised that we'd solved how to get information clear to people. But when you're in a first aid emergency or a first aid event, you need equipment. And I toiled with a couple of ideas, and we then invented a product that was really self-explanatory. That was the beginning of it. It would be probably 30 to 40 major renovations and alterations from then, and 20 years later, we've now got the #1 easiest first aid kit.
And then we've transferred that into part of the first aid system to iFirst Aid.
You can get the same information on your iPhone, on your smartphone with iFirst Aid.
It's just another gateway to finding instantaneous visual help on exactly what you need to do, and then you can grab your survival first aid kit and apply the products that are inside the bag.
It's funny how things go a full circle. Fast forward 16 years, and I'm a 21-year-old running from the Boxing Day tsunami that hit Thailand in 2004. I learnt firsthand how my dad and uncle felt and how everything can change in an instant. Having experienced that personal trauma, I wanted to make a difference. Tim and Jerry had created an amazing product, and they had taken it as far as they possibly could. So I grabbed my buddy George from school, brought him in, and we worked on taking this product not only to Australia, but to the world. First, I was packing in the family garage. Then we moved into a warehouse. We outgrew that warehouse, so we had to build a custom warehouse. This is where we are now. And soon, we're going to grow out of this. So I'm asking you, distributors, retailers, to come on board with our journey. Organically, we've grown this as far as we can. And now it's time for you to partner with us and to take this to the rest of the world. You're not selling just a product. You're buying time for the end user. You are giving them peace of mind. You're continuing our mission to empower, educate, and give your customer a better chance in an emergency.